All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. To each and every one of you guys from the Pepe community, appreciate you guys' support from the beginning. But now let's get right into it and see what's happening with the price of Pepe and of course what we could be expecting going into Tuesday morning. So if we're looking across the market, guys, Monday was a great day overall. Started off on a little bit of a negative note, but pretty much a great day. The market did pick up, especially Bitcoin, which of course has impacted altcoins. And you're looking at Pepe up 7% over the past 24 hours, with the price currently sitting at 78.52. It's also up 2.9% in Bitcoin and about 6% in Ethereum comparative. As far as market cap goes, about 3.3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $686.5 million. So before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. Looking at the holder count, it's pretty much increasing despite a little bit of a lag, a little bit of consolidation. You are pretty much seeing the holder count increasing day by day, currently sitting at almost 275,800 holders. Looking at the overall meme coin market, $41 billion. So, it has picked up quite a bit over the course of the last 24 hours. You can see a lot of coins feeling the love. Popcat up 30%, and it's showing that strength that it has showed over the course of the last few recoveries that it has made. It is one of the top gainers, and as far as Pepe is concerned, also up 6.7%. We'll take that. So pretty much everything right now seems to be up right now. And what you might not understand, the narrative that Pepe really has so many different Pepe coins that have hit such high market valuations. If you don't realize, Tron chain is now having this, Tron meme coin mania that's taking place. And look at this, Sun Pepe. It is up 729%. And again, this does not mean I'm not telling you or promoting this. I'm just trying to tell you the narrative that Pepe has created since it has launched, and, speaks for itself. But anyhow, let's take a closer look and see what is happening with its price. So looking at Bitcoin dominance, you can see this for yourself. Bitcoin dominance actually did go up with Bitcoin's price. We're currently sitting at 57.2%. As far as Bitcoin is concerned, you are looking at Bitcoin having a beautiful, beautiful close above the 60K key resistance. Really needed to see this happen. And right now, Bitcoin is sitting exactly where you want Bitcoin to be sitting. But in terms of, my personal confirmation, if you do follow me on my channel for quite some time, that personal confirmation is around $64,000. I become bullish once the price of Bitcoin goes past that $64,000. Of course, that's not the case right now, but it could become a reality in the very short term, especially if the price of Bitcoin is able to close if it's able to get out of the 62,200 range. Now that we have that out of the way, now that we know that the price of Bitcoin is looking good, it's still above the 60K, it's in the 23.6 fib zone. Let's take a look at what's happening with the price of Pepe. So Pepe, of course, has formed this green upwards trajectory, but pretty much since, I would say, August 14th, we haven't seen the price of Pepe back above this key resistance, and the importance of that key resistance. So far, we did get that double bottom. I literally spoke to you guys about this, that this could be a reality at the 69.91, and you did see the price actually retest that range. So if you picked up Pepe just maybe even 2 to 3 days back around that level, you are up right now 13.78%, which is quite a bit. But right now, what you're noticing with Pepe is that as it's trying to break towards the upside, there's significant amount of resistance coming in its way. As you can see, significant amount of resistance, and we know about this. We have talked about this in the past, and obviously this resistance does need to break out. The very important for the price of Pepe to be back above the 82.11 zone. But despite that fact, I'm very impressed the way it has held and how it did not come and retest the August 5th lows, because the August 5th lows compared to the August 16 lows is still about a 16% drop, and we still did not end up seeing that. So that in a way is a little bit of a positive thing that we can kind of take away. So far, obviously, Pepe is not going to be an exception. It's going to react in a positive way to the Bitcoin move, but you want to see the price of Pepe reclaiming back above that resistance and actually seeing a close. If it's able to get past the 89.93 zone, I think we could potentially start, knocking down that 1-0 within its price, and have, obviously the trends that, price targets that we haven't pretty much seen since late July start becoming a reality. But first and foremost, you want to see this resistance coming in
open and closing. As far as altcoin season goes, I hear that a lot. People always talk about, when is this altcoin season starting? When is this going to happen? When is that going to happen? You need, Bitcoin dominance to go down. You need the Bitcoin dominance to go down quite a bit in order for us to actually see that altcoin season that a lot of people are waiting for. And November is coming, guys. So let's not, forget why November is such an important month for the traditional markets, for the crypto markets. Because of course the election. So let's see what happens. Obviously, in order for the price of Pepe to get back into this range, the 1268 zone, late July prices, you need to see the price obviously first and foremost get above the 89.37, and then get past the 1086 zone in order for us to reclaim that. But so far so good. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Let's see what happens over the next few hours, and let me know your personal projections regarding where you see Pepe in terms of the leaders of this meme coin cycle. Where do you see Pepe ranking at the end of whenever this cycle comes to an end? And that is it for today's update. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.